Hello and happy Halloween! Today I'll be making these broom and pumpkin earrings. Grab your Halloween supplies and let's do it. Roll out some brown, white, and gold colored clay. Make sure you use more brown than any other color. Connect them all together and fold them in half. And then roll it out. And keep going until you have it the way you want. Take a metal stick pin with a loop made on the end, and then measure the distance from the bottom of that loop to the bottom of your clay. And then just leave a little bit extra at the bottom of the clay, and then cut off the excess, and then thread your faux wood through the stick pin. This will be a slow process. Just take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. We will roll it out in a moment to remove any lumps. I hope you are having a fine Halloween holiday. And if you're feeling extra festive today, you could hit that subscribe button and have a happy Halloween. Roll out gold colored clay, and then chop off equal length sections. Roll one end to a point. Repeat with all of the pieces. Begin stacking them up and placing them together into a circular-like shape. Once you have all the pieces together, gently roll one end so that they'll all become connected. Roll out two pieces of different colors of gold, and then twist them together. Connect your broom handle to your broom bristles. And then wrap your twisted clay around. Make sure you buy plenty of candy for those trick-or-treaters. And then wrap it around once more. Use a bead to make a small indentation on the bottom of the orange clay, and then on the top. And then use a needle tool to make your pumpkin grooves. Make a hole at the top, and then insert a small piece of brown clay for the stem. And then take a small ball of green clay and make a leaf. and then the lines on the leaf. And then if you get really scared, you can drop your clay. And then place in your eyes, nose, and mouth with a needle tool. Roll out a piece of black and orange clay, and then twist them together. Fold it in half and twist again, and then roll it out. Cut it into 4 equal sections. Cut out 3 sections from your metal pin, and then 1 section with a loop. Place your clay on the end of each one. And then insert them into the pumpkin. The one with a loop on it needs to be used for one of the arms. Bake your pieces. Apply black paint to the eyes, nose, and mouth. And then to the bottom of the broom. Once it is dried, take a damp soapy cloth and wipe away all excess paint. Resin your pieces and assemble your earrings. And then your fancy pants earrings are done. Man, it's sad but true, it's Halloween. And that means this is the last video of the month. But no fear, you can go back and watch all my videos again. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Halloween!